Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do is first you just click on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on general here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down here, just click here on keyboard, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Come here to predictive here, just click in this sign or this color. So like you see color, it's gone, that's me predictive disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.